Hey Goldwingers, we want to talk to you today about accessories. We know you like to ride and we know you like to customize. So let's get into it and talk about the 5 top accessories that most Goldwing riders want to use.
Hey guys, this is Mike.
And Renee. And we're Middle-Aged Road Rage.
So Honda makes a pretty darn good touring motorcycle, but that doesn't mean we can't make it better.
We polled a group of Goldwing riders, and here are the top 5 accessories that came up time and time again.
So the 5th most popular choice was a luggage rack.
And that makes good sense. I mean, if you're going to go touring, you need a place to put your stuff.
While there are many manufacturers, this was just a few samples.
Ooh, you know what I like? I like the racks that have the lighting in the back.
Speaking of lighting, this brings us to number 4 on the list.
That's right, rear lighting.
That's right, these aftermarket brake lights not only look good, but they add another level of safety.
You can't be too careful out there on the road, and you can't be too visible, especially if you're like us and you ride a black Goldwing.
Now there sure are a lot of great choices on the market.
Yeah, there's so many great places to shop. I mean, we love Wingstuff, but there's like places like RevZilla, Cycle Gear. Just let Google be your guide.
Now on to number 3.
Highway pegs. Now on a long ride, you gotta stretch out those legs.
Yeah, these are some Kuryakyn pegs. These are some from Goldstrike. And then the ones we fell in love with are these from Rivco.
Okay, what I really dug about these is they're easy to kick out and kick in, and they shave off, so should you have an accident.
Yeah, I just like it when they're closed, they look like they're not even there.
That's true. Here's a little video where we installed ours. You can go back and check it out. You might like it.
Hey, by the way, guys, what accessories do you have on your Goldwings?
That's right. Leave a comment and let us know. We're curious what you've got going on your bike.
So now let's talk about number 2 on the list, air deflectors.
Now these come in different shapes and sizes, and I have to say, I've been asking for them, Mike, I've been asking for them. Where are my deflectors?
Yeah, keep asking.
Oh, come on. I don't want to have to wear chaps. It's a Goldwing.
Well, maybe if you're a good girl for your birthday.
That is a tall order.
Yeah, it is.
And now coming in at number 1, the most popular, the saddle.
Now this wouldn't be a middle-aged road rage video without us talking about the saddle.
Well, isn't it more about us bagging on?
Yeah, that's more accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, but regardless if you get a Corbin or if you get, a Russell Daylong.
Or Ultimate Seat or a Mustang or a Saddleman.
Right.
They're all better than the stocks.
Even the road sofa might be better. But you know what? We're still looking, folks, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, it's because we went with the Airhawk. We decided to be budget-minded consumers and do the Airhawk. And so far I've been satisfied, and Mike has been slightly dissatisfied. So, what can you do?
So this is us checking out the Corbin factory, and this is also a video of us looking at the RDL seat, which is the most comfortable in my opinion.
So be sure to leave a comment and let us know what accessories you have. Or you could just be like our friend Road Glide and get every darn thing possible.
Talk about having it all.
Okay, folks, we'll catch you next time.
See ya.